Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off today's video with someone who has this very long waist length hair. Stylist chops that hair right off. And it looks like she's getting a bob haircut with this makeover. Ooh, she did add some color here as well. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous makeover. She looks beautiful. So moving right along, we have someone who has a long waist length hair. Stylist chops that hair right off. Oh, and she also gets a gorgeous bob as well. Absolutely beautiful. So moving on to transformation number 3. This one also looks like she might be getting a bob. And she gets a nice shoulder length bob. Beautifully done. This particular stylist does a lot of gorgeous bobs and pixie makeovers. She has the salt and pepper hair and also mixes it up with a bob. Now it does look like she got some color here as well. Hair is completely platinum. So she is going quite short for this next makeover. And bam, here he does a gorgeous asymmetrical pixie cut. Very nice, so beautiful. And it looks like he is doing another bob haircut for this next one, adding in some bangs. Ooh, she got color too. Very nice. I love this color. So pretty. So we move on to another hairstylist. So she starts off with mid-length hair. Looks like she might also be getting a bob. Oh, she got color too. Wow. So gorgeous. I love the way the color came out. So here we have someone who has very long waist length hair. Wow, her hair is extremely thick too. So she ends up also going with a bob. Beautiful shoulder length bob style. Next up we have someone with mid-length hair. and she gets the hair layered and beautifully colored. Such a stunning dimensional blonde. Beautifully done. So if you guys haven't done so already, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. And of course, like today's video if you are enjoying all of these hair transformations that we're seeing today. So moving into the next one, this hair's already been placed in some ponytails. Stylist goes ahead and cuts the hair. And he does a nice layered bob here with a curtain bangs. Followed by another layered hairstyle with the curtain bangs. And here we have another layered haircut transformation. Beautiful bangs going in the front. And this is just a nice, easy, subtle way to switch up your hair without doing anything too drastic. It's going to add a lot of body and volume to your strands. Oh, we have a full-on pixie transformation here. Oh, gorgeous. I love the shape of this one. Nice little boy cut pixie with a lot of choppy layers. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.